Okay. Hi, I'm Sharon Gilbert. I'm from Your Five Star. And today we're going to continue our training on how to use Zoom. I'd like to welcome my guest, Jackie. Introduce yourself.
Hi, Sharon. I'm Jackie Moriarty. I'm a real estate agent, and with what's going on with the environment with COVID-19, a lot of my clients want to do Zoom meetings, and we have to do virtual showings and listings. So this is helpful for so many different businesses, I'm sure. But thanks for inviting me, Sharon.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, so as I'm recording, I'm just going to show you if you wanted to invite other people, you could click the invite button. You could click an email, and then so you could see kind of what it looks like. And then it'll bring it up. Should bring up a link. And in whatever email that you have your Zoom link to, that's the email it's gonna use that email to go out. So then if I I'm just gonna put in my own name. Um, see this comes up now, that you can see this link. Also, if you have someone that you want to invite to a meeting, you can actually just send them that. That is your code to invite someone to a meeting. And then now I happen to have a password on this, but I'm going to go in and I don't really want to require a password because if you have a password, then you got to send that out. Otherwise, the person can't log in. Also, if you go down here below, let me do this full screen. So I could send this to somebody. I could send it to multiple recipients if I wanted to. And this is the email address that I'm using for Zoom, so that's what it shows. And then, like I said, if somebody wanted to log in. Now, Jackie could also, she could give that link to someone else and have them join the meeting if maybe she knew other representatives, other clients of hers in the real estate, that she could give them that, and then she could have multiple people on. So the thing that's really great about Zoom and utilizing your business with Zoom is you can have multiple people on. Now, at first, remember my first videos, I mentioned that Zoom's going to want you to join, and so they're going to lock you out after 40 minutes. But after you use it for a while, sometimes they'll give you free minutes. So don't think that you necessarily have to sign up and pay for it right away, especially if you're in this COVID-19 thing, your business is struggling already. You don't want to have to pay for something that you don't need to. So I just wanted to show you some tips. Let me get this down. Oh, and also, if you can see this, see if this is in the way, you can move it down below. I can actually go like this. I can go like that, show both of us. So now you can see both of us, Jackie's there. Let's say if I didn't want to show myself anymore, I could stop video, but then you would still see me. There's a way to edit your profile picture. If you just wanted a profile picture instead, you could do that as well. All right, so I want to I have to put a person in here or it's not gonna send this off. So, all right, so now it's sent it. Okay. Now, if I want to do a new share, let's say I want to go back to my desktop, or I wanted to go to, if I had a demonstration preview that I wanted to show someone, I could go to my whiteboard. I could toggle to different things by doing a new share, and that will still allow the people that are viewing the video, they'll be able to see that as well. So, all right, Jackie, do you have any questions about Zoom that I can answer for you at this time?
No, I think your previous videos really covered a lot of the preliminary questions. No, this is going to be great. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm going to hit stop share now. And actually, and just so you know, when I don't think I'm going to hit actually stop record.